This video is a review of Moomoo versus Webull of which one suits you better. Here's a breakdown between Moomoo and Webull. So both platforms offer a commission-free trading. Moomoo charges 0.6 cents fee per options contract and 0.99 fee per order. Webull has no platform fees but charges a 55-cent fee per contact for certain index options. Moomoo provides free real-time level 2 market data, advanced charting tools, and a customizable stock screener, and Webull offers similar features but limits level 2 data to a 3-month free trial. So both platforms are SEC and FINRA members, offering SIPC protection up to $500,000. Moomoo provides 24 support via phone, email, and chat, and Webull also supports 24/7 email, phone support during market hours. So the final verdict for this is that choose Moomoo for broader market access and advanced tools, while choose Webull if you're interested in cryptocurrencies and a straightforward user experience.